Hello everyone. So in the series of big data lectures, today we will be seeing artificial intelligence. So in this video we will be dealing about the necessary factors or the basic information about the artificial intelligence. So let us start with the video. So what is artificial intelligence? So it is a branch of computer science which focus on creation of the machines that mimics or work or react like a human being. It has different branches or part, and machine learning is one of the part of the artificial intelligence. So basically, as we all know, machine learning is one of the current trending, we can say current trend in the industry. So artificial machine learning, it is a branch of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, what it is used or how it is equipped in the machines, that uh, it will focus on creation of the machines that will act like a human beings. As a human being, thinking process is there, the machine will be work or react same as the human being's mind, such as learning or solving problems like human being, or functioning like the humans. So all these tasks can be done by using the artificial intelligence technique or artificial intelligence. So as machines are being, nowadays machines are increasingly capable of doing different tasks. So intelligence, why we are using intelligence is that whatever the work that is done by using the machine, it should be proper, or it should have some intelligent working done same as the human being. Whatever the task we give to the human being, they perform it by using their brains, their hard working, and by using different intelligent techniques, so that the work could be done easily. So this type of work, how the human being are doing, this can be done by using the machines, and this phenomenon can be done by using the artificial intelligence. So there are different types of artificial intelligence, as analytical, human inspired, and humanized artificial intelligence. So each of these, what are the different types of uh, classification, what is the application, what are the problems that can be solved by using artificial intelligence, we will be seeing. Okay, so again, artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controller robot or a software to think intelligently in a similar manner as the intelligent humans think. Previously only I told you. So we can make a robot by using the AI. AI means artificial intelligence techniques. Nowadays, robotics is being a demand branch in the industry. We are using the robot in different areas, such as on the borders. Nowadays, we are planning to use a robot. Household works can be also done by using a robot. We have seen different techniques or different experiments that are performed on the robot to perform, that the robot should be capable of performing different tasks, not only the household things, not only the industrial work, not only the protection of our country on the borders. The robot can be used for doing the different works. So to prepare such type of machines, or to prepare such a software which can think as a human being and work and execute a particular task, so all these things can be done by using the AI. So what are the goal of the AI? To create the expert system and to implement the human intelligence in the machine. So expert system means which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn from the machine, demonstrate something, express, explain, advise, etc. Means what human being will do, if something is there, human being are able to explain anything, to demonstrate, to advise people. So all these tasks which a human being is doing by using his intelligence or by using his brain, that things can be done by using the machines. And to create such types of machine, we are using AI. Again, to implement the human intelligence in the machines, creating systems that can understand, think, and behave like the human being. So these are the basic things which I have previously explained you. So problem or the research area. So what are the things where we are using the AI, or to solve which type of problems mainly AI has been used. So the below are the problems that can be solved by using the AI techniques or the AI algorithms. We have different types of algorithm in AI. So reasoning, knowledge representation, learning, NLP, perception, and social intelligence. So these are some of the problems that we will be solving by using AI. Reasoning means previously researchers have developed many algorithms that imitate step by step reasoning that human used to solve the puzzles or to make a logical decision. Previously we used to use the algorithms developed by the researcher. By using AI algorithms, what we can do, instead of solving the puzzle by the human, the AI algorithm itself, it will be do the reasoning and give us the solution, that this is the solution for a particular problem. So for such type of research areas we are using the AI. Okay, so the algorithms are capable of giving a reasoning problems, or they are capable of giving the decision based on a judgment. Okay, knowledge representation means some expert systems, as we know, machines gather the knowledge by using different domain areas. So it is important to represent the knowledge. What previously researchers would do, they will study the database, and based on the database they will represent the system. Nowadays AI algorithm, by default, if we give one database, that algorithm is able to represent the data, that this is the data of a particular company, these are the branches. No need to personally sit to a human being and study the data and represent the data. Yeah, this is the data, so what further conclusions can be made out of the data. Next is the learning. So what is meant by learning? Okay, so the default problem solving can be done by using the AI. So what is the learning means? Machine learning is one of the part of the AI, as I have told you before. So in machine learning we have different types: supervised, unsupervised. Learning means studying from existing data. The AI algorithms are capable of studying the existing data and making a proper decisions. Consider an example: if we have a data of a Facebook, so what the AI algorithm is do, it will study the data of the Facebook and it will make the decision whatever. Like if I have comments, I want to classify the comments as a fake comment or true comment, or I want to classify it as a sentimental. It is a comment for a comment denoting a sad situation or a happy situation. To do that, the AI algorithm will directly study the data. It will classify the data as a happy happy sentimental data or a sad sentimental data. So all these things can be done by using the AI techniques. NLP means natural language processing. What is meant by natural language processing means speech to voice video to audio conversion, speech recognition, identifying the different languages. So all these things can be done in the NLP, which is done by using the AI. Perception means the ability to use the input from sensors and to convert it into different forms, such as video to text conversion, audio to text conversion, capturing from the cameras and transferring it into signals, or capturing from any sensor. So these type of facial recognition, computer vision, all these things are included in the perception. And one last one is there are many things, I have mentioned some of this. Social intelligence means sentimental analysis, as I have told you before, or the human games which are based on such of the emotions, or the video games. So all these things are all these are the research area that have been implemented by using, that can be solved by using the AI techniques. Okay, so the same slide, what are the problems or what are the research areas? Mainly research areas, not all of them. There are n number of research areas in artificial intelligence. Some of them I have listed here: expert system, neural networks, robotics, fuzzy logic, natural language processing, etc. All these things I have explained you before. Next are the applications of the applications of the artificial intelligence. So after we solve the problems, or after we have looked out to the research areas, the next thing we will see what are the applications of the artificial intelligence, or where the artificial intelligence is being used. So the applications are healthcare. The main application, why I have mentioned here healthcare, is nowadays we are generating a large amount of data in the healthcare industry. So artificial intelligence is breaking into healthcare industry by assisting the doctors. So how it will help the doctors, how AI is helping the doctors is, as we know, cancer, there is a large amount of research is going on related to cancers. There are 800 medicines, more than 800 medicines and vaccinations to treat the cancer. This negativity affects the doctor because there are too much options for making there are too much options. So to make the choice for the doctors which is the right drug for a patient, it's difficult. So by using the AI, Microsoft is working on a project to develop a machine called Hanover. What the machine does is, its goal is to memorize all the papers, research papers necessary for the cancer, and to help and predict the combination of which drug is most effective for a particular patient. So this is one of the example in the healthcare industry. So this can be done by using the AI techniques. Next is the automotive industry. We know nowadays all the cars are the automated cars or self-driving cars. How these self-driving cars are working? They have, in each part they have a algorithms which are behaving like a human being. So this is possible because of AI. Now finance, I am just giving a short introduction to you. Finance and economics. So in finance, we are use neural network system or AI to detect the charges and claims outside of a normal flagging and human investigation. So in banking system, we are using AI algorithms to find out the fraud, credit card fraud system or different frauds. So to analyze this, we are using the AI algorithms or the machine learning algorithms. So next is the video games. We know all we play the video games. So in video games, AI is used to generate dynamically purposeful behavior in non-player characteristics. Like different players are, we have different games, you have seen many games. So these games perform their tasks by using the AI algorithms. Okay, example is the Supreme Commander 2. This is one of the game which was designed by using the neuro-evolutionary training of a platoons. Okay, next is the military. As I told you before, robotics. Robots are being used for the military applications. So robots have been in the AI algorithms have been implemented in the robots so that they can perform their required task. Next is the audit. So in the financial statements, AI make continuous audit possible decisions. Many set of different information is analyzed and proper decision which can be reduce the risk of making the fraudulent decision. So the risk is reduced and the level of assurance that the decision is in the favor of the organization is increased due to the AI algorithm. Advertising. So AI used to predict or generalize the behavior of a customer from the digital footprinting or the uh, the social media, that this advertising can help us to grow our business. So the personalized promotion or build a customer personals automatically. So in advertising also we are using the AI algorithms. Okay, so they can reduce the cost of advertising campaign by adding the target, that who are the most targeted people we can analyze by using the AI algorithm. So these are the different types of application. So some of the real type application on the research area I have mentioned here. So expert system means flight tracking system, clinical system. In healthcare also we are using. NLP means voice recognition, as we have Google, different apps by Google. So these are done by using the NLP techniques. Neural networks. In each office we have the face recognition, our fingerprint recognition. In phone also we have. So robotics, industrial robots we are using for spraying, carving, cleaning. Different industries are using the robots nowadays. And the fuzzy logic system, where we are using the consumer electronics, automotives, our cars. So these are based on the sensor data. So these are some of the research area which I have been given here of the AI. So this is the basic information about the artificial intelligence. So in the next series of the video we will be seeing the machine learning, different machine learning techniques and each of these algorithms in detail. So thank you for listening.